Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 9 plus, pip, SSH access, and a working network. First, create and activate a virtualenv, then pip install Paramiko or an Asyncio client so you can run remote commands securely. Once done, generate an SSH key pair and add the public key to the remote / SSH/authorized keys file to avoid password prompts. Make sure file permissions are strict. Now open a simple Python REPL and import your chosen library to confirm the environment is ready. Next, implement the core flow. You write a client that opens an SSH session, executes the remote start command, and reads stdout/stdir. Use async/await or a threaded approach to enforce timeouts and retries so the system won't hang. Log every step with timestamps. Also validate inputs to prevent injection. Build the command from safe parameters and avoid shell equals true. Once the basic run works locally, parameterize host, user, key path, and the actual start command so you can reuse the script across machines. Finish by hardening and automating. Add structured logging, exponential backoff for retries, and a dry run option to validate changes. Deploy as a systemd service or cron job and ensure log rotation so disk space stays healthy. Finally, test failure modes and add alerts on repeated errors. If something goes wrong, first check SSH connectivity and credentials, then confirm key file permissions and that the remote start executable is in path. These 3 checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.